1. Walking gentle on your joints, equipment-free, and extremely convenient for beginners. Especially, walking is the best exercise to lose weight. According to Harvard Health, a person weighing 70 kilograms, 155 pounds, will burn 186 calories walking at a speed of 4.5 miles per hour, 6.4 kilometers per hour, for 30 minutes. A person weighing 56 kilograms, 125 pounds, will burn 150, while a person weighing 84 kilograms, 185 pounds, will burn 222. 2. Running is an excellent weight loss exercise. While these words are often used interchangeably, a jogging pace is between 4 and 6 miles per hour, 6.4 to 9.7 kilometers per hour, and a running pace is faster than 6 miles per hour, 9.7 kilometers per hour. According to Harvard Health, a 70 kilograms person can expect to burn 298 calories jogging at a 5 mph, 8 kilometers per hour pace for 30 minutes, and 372 calories running at a 6 miles per hour, 9.7 kilometer per hour pace for the same duration. 3. Cycling. There are many different types of cycling. Traditional outdoors cycling, spin classes on stationary gym bikes, and even indoor cycling. Workouts that incorporate light weights. According to Harvard Health, a 70 kilograms person burns around 260 calories cycling on a stationary bike at a moderate pace for 30 minutes, and 298 calories cycling on an outdoor bike at a moderate pace of 12 to 13.9 miles per hour, 19 to 22.4 kilometers per hour, for the same time period. 4. Weight training, also called resistance or strength training. Weight training is an essential part of any weight loss regime. According to Harvard Health, a 70 kilograms person burns 112 calories lifting weights for 30 minutes. It also builds muscle and strength, which is important for fat loss. 5. Circuit training. Circuit training involves a combination of endurance training, resistance training, and high-intensity exercises performed in a circuit. Typically, 6 or more exercises are performed for either a set number of repetitions or amount of time, with short rest periods between each one. After a short break, you repeat the circuit again,